Need help installing your new PostMaster Plus fence system for a shadow box fence? The PostMaster Plus posts for a shadow box fence are different as they come up to the top rail. Be sure to leave 2 inches extra post length to account for ground clearance. Here's a quick 5-step walkthrough for installing a shadow box fence. First, locate your property's boundary lines, then stake the locations of each corner and gate post well within the property line. Line posts should be spaced the length of your rail up to 8 feet plus 2 inches on center. Second, locate and set the posts. Dig the corner and gate post holes about 6 to 10 inches in diameter and 30 inches deep. Line posts should be 6 to 10 inches in diameter and 24 inches deep. The height of the fence boards should be 8 inches above the top of the top rail and 8 inches below the bottom of the bottom rail. Make sure you line up your posts next to the holes, understanding that when you place the posts into the hole, you'll line up the flanges across the string line as per the drawing. Next, center the posts and fill with concrete to ensure stability. Make sure the posts are plumb, square to the fence line, and set to the correct height. Third, install the top, middle, and bottom rails alongside the hat section of the post. We recommend using number 9 or number 8 countersunk deck screws to attach the rails to the PostMaster Plus. Fourth, install the fence boards over the PostMaster Plus 2 inches above the ground. Then, lay out the outside row of fence boards, evenly spacing them with approximately a 3-inch gap, and attach to the rails 2 inches above the ground. Fifth, next move to the inside of the fence. Install the 1x6 cover board over the PostMaster Plus 2 inches above the ground. Then lay out the inside row of fence boards, making sure that you cover the 3-inch gap and attach to the rails 2 inches above the ground. Congratulations on a successful installation!